another video of mine, and today I'm doing something a little more special for the new game that just barely came out on March 20th. Animal Crossing New Horizons, yay! If none of you are fans, I'm so sorry. Me and the LPS Bagel Sisters have been waiting for this game for like 6 months. No joke, 6 months. And so I drew a couple of my favorite Animal Crossing characters. I've only played Pocket Camp. I haven't played like any like New Leaf or City Folk. I haven't played any of those games, so this is gonna be my first game. And the wonderful LPS Bagel Sisters gave me the game, was sending me the game, and I'm really happy. So let's just hop into the art that I have done today. So let's open up. It's in the very back page, and you can see. This is what I'm gonna be working on. This is what I'm going to be working with. You can see from the glare. I drew Goldie, Wendy, and Lily. Those are my 3 favorite characters. I wanted to add in one of another character, Daisy May. That's we don't really talk about her. So I just made this cute little ticket that is like on the game cover, and it's New Horizon. I couldn't fit the S, so I just made it New Horizon. And so I'm gonna ink that really fast, and I'll be right back. And here I am back a couple hours later from inking. I have inked Goldie, Wendy, Lily, and the New Horizons ticket. As we speak right now, I've actually gotten the game. It just came in the mail, and I was really happy, so I started to play it. I'm only on the first day, so it's not as eventful as I thought it would be. But so far it's really fun, and I cried when I got it. So thank you so much to the LPS Bagel Sisters. And now we're going to go into coloring, first off with Goldie. So I am back, ready to color in the wonderful Goldie. I will clean up all like the little graphite pieces, but I'll be right back to color Goldie. Okay, I'm back cleaning up Goldie. I have my swatch sheet over here, and I have my markers over here, so I'm just gonna hop into it. So starting with Goldie, as I said 5 million times. I'm actually gonna put my swatch sheet underneath it. I am actually referencing a picture off camera because, oh my gosh, why am I heavy breathing? Because Goldie's stripes are confusing as heck, and I kind of inked them in wrong. Ooh. So I was going to say comment down below what your favorite villagers are or Animal Crossing characters, but I don't have my comment section. So just think in your head what your favorite character is. That doesn't really help. Was I doing Canary? Oh, frick. Why? Oh, yeah. Okay. It's gonna look better with this on top. Yeah. Okay, that looks the exact same. But I barely got Animal Crossing New Horizons, and I'm in love with the game. I'm addicted. I kind of started to cry when I got it. So thank you so much, the LPS Bagel Sisters. I just love the game to death. Oh my gosh, my picture just wanted to turn off. But why I like Goldie so much, yes, I'm going to be talking about her. Ooh, this is going to be tricky. Well, I'm just going to wing it. Oh no. I'll say the stripes going this way are going to be this. These stripes right here are going to be that color. Yeah. Why I like Goldie so much is in Pocket Camp, I did a natural camp, and she was just so cute, and I loved her, and she was so sweet. And I just dressed her up as Isabelle, and I think that would be like really cute. I thought she looked really cute. Oh, I colored in the stripes wrong. Oops. It's fine, she's still really cute, I think. And oh my gosh. Sorry about that. And still coloring in. I don't really like her shirt. That sounds like really mean, but her shirt's okay. It's very complex and whatever. It's a really sunny day and now it's getting cloudy. Oh yeah, I totally messed up those stripes. Oh gosh. Okay, to complete the pattern, finishing that. Okay, now it gets complicated because now I'm going into other colors. As you can see with my handy dandy. Oh yeah, that was for Lily. For Goldie, got those three. I'll color in her nose. Under. And oh, she's so cute. I love her. I might do a shine on her nose because it's not that dark, but it's not light either. Okay, am I gonna go in with just beige? Well, I can always lighten it up. Okay, just do lightly. If you can do anything lightly on that. Oh, that just doesn't. It needs to be more goldy. I'm the only one that's laughing at my jokes. Okay, and her little paws, because you're so cute. Why is Goldie adorable? Just, oh, she's so dang cute. And everybody that's watching is like, Goldie's like the ugliest person. There are some pretty ugly villagers, to be honest. Ooh, and ooh, I think that does suit her. I'm very limited on colors, and when I mix them, sometimes they look really blotchy and gross because I get like cheap markers. And oh, I'll color in like the leaves and the cherries off camera. And the peach off camera because I don't want to deal with that crap right now. Okay, now for the skin tone. Sand first, then cacao. Is it cocoa? How do you say it? Oh, it won't focus, but it's Y3. I think I did a light first. Light first. Oh, this does not look. She needs me more gold. And then, oh, this pen's dying. And then some more. Okay, that is kind of lightening it up. Ooh, idea. I could maybe go over the beige with this just to lighten it up. It wouldn't hurt to tie it in. Oh, actually I like that. Why didn't I think of that? It doesn't look exact, but she still looks pretty cute. Ooh, and it makes it more saturated. Like that. Okay, and now after 6 minutes of coloring her, she's done. So now I'm gonna move on to Lily. Okay, after some time of trying to figure out Lily's color palette, I finally came up with it, but it involves watercolor. As you can see in the corner, I found a perfect water combination with my Ohuhu color markers. So I'm going to be using some watercolor. Did not expect that. I just couldn't mix it up with usual markers, so it was harder. I found a cute reference picture, and I think I'll just hop into it right about now. Okay, first off, I'm going to start with her blushies. Was this the color? That is not the color. I think okay, this one's the color. Stick that, oh, I just colored on my desk. Okay, that's great. I try to clean up her blushies. Oh, there's so much construction going on outside. Oh, Lily's just so precious to me. She's such a sweetheart. Because I've only played with her in Pocket Camp and everybody's sweet. Except Apollo. He does not like marshmallow seats for some reason. Even though like the best seats. Okay, I'll move on to... Wait, where is it? Oh, found it. Never mind. I'll move on to her shirt. What were the colors? Okay, okay. Oh, that does... Wonderful. Wow, that eats my paper up. If worse comes to worse, I just better fill in the whole thing. Oh, this is gonna be trashy. Oh, this isn't watercolor paper. And that isn't either. You can barely even see that. I'm gonna put some marker on it. Ooh, the New Horizons ticket fell off. Oh, oh. Why didn't I? Ew. Oh, it looks a lot better on camera, but ugh. I do not like that. Oh, but my next color is also watercolor. Ooh. I'm just filling it in, so. Okay, it's really dark. Oh, it's so much better on camera. If I have to, I'll put another piece of paper on top of this. Maybe if I go with my water, is this clean? No, it is not. There's some pigment still left on this. Maybe if I go over it with my water brush, might smooth it out. Then I can do it over here. Smooth that out. Okay, wait, I'm gonna just color that in. Okay, that looks better. Ooh. At least the rest of the outfit's white, so I can just clean it up with some white, and then shading. The paper's not underneath it, so ooh. Oh, that looks so gross. Should have just stuck with markers. But look at it, this is gonna be bad. Okay, watercolor markers, check. Ooh, oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, it doesn't have the color. That's the color that I'm going for. But how in the world did I get? Okay. I might have to mix it up again. Darn. You want to follow along to make the perfect lily color? Join with me. I'll make the best lily color on earth. Gosh. I smacked the camera. Okay. Clean that. Now for the green. Color over. Oh gosh. Okay. It's not like watercolor pens. So this is going to be terrible. It's not picking any of the blue up. Okay, there we go. And I'm going in with the legs. Okay. Okay. It is is buckling. You can see it on camera. But not too shabby. Okay. Moving on to the arms. I'm gonna have to pick up more pigment. That is a way different color. Oh no. Oh, it is just eating away at the paper. Okay. Other arm. This is why I always get watercolor sketchbooks. It's because I can use watercolor in it. It goes okay with markers. Oh, now I'm attempting the face. I'll just go around the blushies for now. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna have to mix up more. Are you kidding me? It is eating away at the paper. But that is a pretty dang good lily color, if I do say so myself. Oh. Well, the reference that I'm using is the fan art of Lily. And that is pretty close. I'm just gonna do that. I'll add a white stuff afterwards. I did not see if the line art is waterproof. So using another pen, and that wasn't waterproof, so great. Oh gosh. Well, if you stayed with me through that train wreck, I'll do other little details off camera, and I'll see you for Wendy. I'm going to be moving on to the wonderful little Lily that's dear and near to me. And now I'll just jump right into it. Okay, I'm actually a little frightened to do this because I really like that sketch. I'll start with the watermelon. If you didn't see that, it's a watermelon scarf. I heard that the sheeps now in Animal Crossing New Horizons don't have scarves, but I really like them when they have the scarves. They're really cute. Ooh, that's really dark. Oh, that's really dark. Okay, I could have lined that up. Snooze will you lose. I don't know what that was. Okay. Done. Get her out of the sun. Oh, Goldie, my love. Okay, moving on, red. Oh, that's not red. This is. Okay, it's really saturated. Okay, so far so good. I'll just do like all the blocking in on camera and more of the finer details off camera. That's what I kind of did for those two. And I've not really, oh no. You can't see that because of the light. But I just colored on the red, on the green. Frick. No, okay. Got that. Now for the horns. Yeah, I'll do the horns. I'll do pastel lemon first. And then, like, these are not even, these are like the closest that I could get to the colors. If I was doing digital, yeah, I get the colors. I can just eye drop them. But for my liking, I do not have that. I like traditional more than digital. Why did I get into digital? I don't know. Why did I... Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Okay, why I like Wendy, I should be talking about, is because, well, she was also one of my first people to come into my campsite, and she's really cute, and I want her to be in my island, which I love so far. My starters were, oh, what's their names? I know one of them is Sheldon. The other one, ooh, oh, Tammy. I know, I'm like, I know your name. Just, what is it? Me laughing at my own jokes. Okay, that is really dark. At least most of the drawings tie together, so that's good. Why is that lighter? Oh, she's so cute. I'll do a blushies. Now that that's drying, it's like really blotchy. If I were to redo it, I'd try to find a closer color. That is not even close to her cheek color. Oh, that. Oh, I'm trying to avoid coloring her fur. Oh, I can lighten that up later. Oh, this is dying. Oh no, please hold on. Oh no. I'm gonna color in her face. At least it will kind of, oh, I'm using chisel. You know what, screw this, I'm using chisel. Oh no, it's dying. Terracotta, don't leave me now. Oh, please. Don't die on me. You can die on the legs, but not on the face. Oh no, she looks so burnt. Oh no. Why am I talking to my drawing like it's alive? It's not. Wendy's alive in my heart though. I think she's my favorite out of these three, to be honest. She's so cute and I love her. She's so sweet to me. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, it's holding on. This might be the last time I'll ever use this. At least I'm getting a new supply. Oh hoo hoo, but I'm getting it in the brush form. So I just want to try them out. I think they look really cool. Oh, that looks really good. I'll try to rub that out. Okay, she looks so burnt. Oh no. Her skin tone should be so much lighter. It should be more like a golden. Oh, she looks so dark. Okay. I guess what all it leaves is the fur. Oh gosh. I'm not very confident in my art, my coloring right now because of that mess over there. So I'm just gonna try to get these swoops down. Why is she so cute and I can't draw her? Oh, okay. She's very saturated. I wish she was more pastel-y. This toothpaste, I named it 67. It's pretty pastel-y. Question mark. Okay, almost done. Why? Okay, that's actually coming together with the fur. No picture. No. Okay, I think these are just fully colored in. Okay. Oh, should not be guessing with my art. Okay. I'm just gonna call that good. I'll show you guys the end results, but I'll see you guys then. And voila! I am officially done with my wonderful Animal Crossing drawings. As you can see for Goldie, I did the leaves, the cherries, and KK's head is in the way. And I added in a little bit of Copic into her little spots, her darker spots. For Lily, I added in some shading, I colored in around. I added more bluey tints to her. I did the white circles around her, and that's pretty much it. For Wendy, I colored in pretty much the whole thing almost off camera. I had it in a little white stripe, did the leaves. I think I showed the hearts, maybe not. I did more like blending, and that's it for Wendy. Then I did the New Horizons things. Thank you guys very much for watching this wonderful Animal Crossing New Horizons themes video, and I hope you guys will have a good day. Bye! This is the carnage from the video. No markers were harmed during this, except terracotta. Bye.